guys. So a little different approach today. I'm going to talk about a couple different things actually. Crypto is not all about making money every single day. If you take enough risk, you will lose. Hate to say it, but I got rugged. The guys in the group chat and we were jumping around these different projects on Uniswap, mostly meme coins, kind of just some bullshit to say the least. Chasing dollars, man. You know, you throw 1,000 in there, turn it into 5. You do that multiple times and you think it's just a given. Well, the reality is the only true coin that we should ever trust in is Bitcoin. These other coins, the other quick pump and dumps, everyone's talking about Kadena right now, or KDA. Oh, it's a phenomenal coin. The transactions per second are immaculate, yada, yada, yada. And then you go look at who's the founding core team. JP Morgan, ex-employee. Nothing to do with the banks is ever legitimate. I would never trust a project that was founded by someone who used to work at JP Morgan. Wow, but a lot of people ate it up. Don't get me wrong, I got my profits from it too. But would I ever trust it as a long-term project where I want to hold my money in there? Hell no. So once you start understanding why Ethereum blows up, because VCs can throw money behind Ethereum projects and they turn into 10, 20, sometimes 100x projects, and they pump and dump every single time. You never see something that just sustains and you go, oh, well, there's tokens like XRP and there's tokens like Chainlink. I mean, look at those, they're still there. Yeah, okay. We'll see how long in 5 years any of these tokens last. Because once they connect all the chains together, there's no real reason to have specifics on each chain. Everything is just gonna operate together. With that being said, really think we need to just pay attention to Bitcoin, to be honest. A lot of people ask me, what's my approach? I got friends, I got family members, I got a bunch of people who come and ask me all the time, Zach, I know you're into crypto. How do I get into it and what's the best approach to buying in? So I tell them, well, first things first, don't go buying meme coins or cheap coins. And I say cheap as in price point, coins that are cheap to buy into just because you don't have a lot of money to start off investing. What you need to do is save a little bit more money and start buying Bitcoin every day or every week, whatever you can afford. This is called dollar cost averaging. Basically just have a consistent approach to buying. If you do this, it'll benefit you in the long run. Playing the risk versus reward is when someone has a little bit more disposable cash to not get just absolutely crushed. With that being said, for you guys who are risky, you know I'm always gonna throw out a couple new coins that I like and ultimately think I'll have a chance to creating some returns. Senso is one. Another metaverse play a lot of people are on right now. All the other normal altcoins are gonna move. I think Bitcoin's gonna hit its all-time high, probably crush through it and go to 75K here. With that being said, I would suggest looking to some of the other metaverse tokens. They're definitely the hype. A lot of the money is put into that right now. Yeah, but as far as my picks, I like Senso. It's pretty dope, and I'm deep into the Phantom ecosystem. So Tombstone Finance, T-Share, Tomb, the token, anything to do with that particular ecosystem on Phantom's network is phenomenal to me. So I'm holding a lot of T-Share, I'm holding some Tomb, and I think Phantom's about to do a 3 to 4x because we haven't seen a listing on any major exchange. I'm sure it's due to come here soon. So yeah, that's my highlight. You see my other videos, I talk about using Spooky Swap and Phantom's decentralized exchange. I love the Phantom network. Gas fees are super cheap, super easy to port. Even the port cost from Ethereum over to Phantom is super cheap. So if you're not familiar with what I'm talking about right now, do a little research on the Phantom network. You can use my how to set up or how to use an exchange video as well. I used Spooky Swap in my example. But yeah, man, look into it. Join the Telegram, join the Discord. They drop some absolute dimes. And then their DeFi is incredible. I mean, you're getting like 570% a year to utilize the Tune protocol. They're trying to peg T-Share to YFI or Yearn Finance's token, which is $35,000. T-Shares are $9,000 right now. They're trying to match that peg. So I'm just buying as much T-Share as possible, because if they match that peg, turn $9,000 into 35 each time, each T-Share you own. So just keep that in mind. I appreciate you guys watching another video. This one's super short. I'm gonna try to just really bring to you exactly what's going on and not give you too much fluff. Now, I know this is more about me in this video, but this is just a way to approach investing that I think will help everyone. Yeah, I wanted to mention as well, I went to Tab, which is a Bitcoin conference in Atlanta here. It's pretty cool. They gave me this little token right here. It's actually one, let me see if I can get it close enough for you guys to see this. Focus. Come on. Oh well, it's actually 1 ounce. 1 full ounce of copper. So it's pretty cool little token they gave us at this Bitcoin conference. But yeah, man, I've just been really diving into the Bitcoin side of things, because ultimately that's where I'm gonna take all my profits from these altcoins and leave them in. But until next time, guys, I appreciate it. Have a good afternoon.